In this video, we're going to learn about the do while loop. So let's take this while out, because we're finished with it, and paste it in our loops. Actually, I could just go out here. So let's take a look at the do while loop. So the do while statement creates a loop that executes a specified statement until the test condition evaluates as false. So instead of true, like in a while loop, this will go on until it evaluates false. The condition is evaluated after executing the statement, resulting in the specific statement executing at least once. So let's create here a let, let's call it n, and we're going to assign it to 0. And let's say do console log. And I'm going to type here a string of pace space plus n. And I'm going to iterate n plus plus. And now the condition comes after the curly braces, so while n is less than 10. Okay, so if I do this, you can see it paces from 0 to 9. If I would do equal to 10, then it goes to 10. Okay, so this is pretty much it for do while loops. Let's get to the next one. And let me actually take this out, paste it in here, and that's it. Okay, so see you in the next one. Bye-bye.